This is the Mora survival knife that I purchased. It comes with the sheath here. And it's made in Sweden, carbon steel. Now I'm going to show you in a minute, demonstrate it on a piece of wood. The sheath is made out of a plastic. It's kind of cheap, but it does work. This is a good knife to use for regular backpacking or your EDC bag, everyday carry. And now what I use for regular backpacking is this Winchester made knife. It's very lightweight. It attaches to the belt right here. I have held on by some zip ties so it don't move around. You unhook it right here, pull it out. And I really like this knife so far, never had any troubles with it. And the total length of the blade is 3.5 inches. The total length of the knife is 7.5 inches. And now for my EDC bag or everyday carry, I'll be using the Mora knife, which I switched to. It's very lightweight. And the blade length is about 4 inches. Total length is about 8.5 inches. And for my EDC pack, I'll go through the contents in another video someday. Picked this up at Walmart for under $20, so it's perfect for a beginner on a budget. And the cheapest I found for this Mora knife was on eBay for about $13. That included shipping. It's even cheaper than Amazon. And now I'll show some specs of it. For $12.99 free shipping as I buy it now. And here you have the specs on the knife. And once again, thanks for watching Up Trail 71.